Okay, I'm going to try and do another video trying to show Akaso the issues I'm having with my V50 camera. So, the Wi-Fi never really worked. I had it connect a few times when I first bought it. Maybe 1 out of 30 tries. Wouldn't connect to my Pixel phone. Thought maybe it was the Pixel phone. Tried it with my daughter's iPhone. Wouldn't connect to that. Wouldn't connect to her iPad. So, and the Wi-Fi was not really that a big an issue for me. But anyways, I kind of let it go. Camera takes wonderful video. Wonderful, you know, the 4K videos looks really good, 30 frames a second, not native 4K. The 1080p 60 frames a second looks really good. I've posted some videos on YouTube. Flying from my drone looks really good. But anyways, I decided to try the Wi-Fi again, and when I did, it locked the camera up. So they suggested that I pull out the SD card, which you can see is pulled out. And I've tried to I pulled the battery and hit the power button, held it for about 3 minutes, hoping that maybe that would reset it, but it really hasn't made any difference whatsoever. So, anyways, I'll kind of show you what's been going on with this thing. Yeah, no card in it. And there's a problem with the Bluetooth also. So go to camera settings. And we'll go down to the Bluetooth. Whoops. Well, they said to reset Wi-Fi settings. Well, I can't reset Wi-Fi settings because once I do that, well, sorry, I can do that. So I reset the Wi-Fi settings. So they've been reset. And then we try the Bluetooth. And we try the Bluetooth here. Hopefully this is in focus. Bluetooth is on. Once I get into Bluetooth and I try and go to off, won't move. And yeah, Bluetooth is on. Yeah, we know that. So let's try the power button. Try and shut this thing off. Oh, it actually shut off. So let's go back. Maybe it was the Bluetooth problem. Try the camera settings again. sorry, it's just hard to hold my phone and trying to film this at the same time with one hand because this thing doesn't have a touch screen. Bluetooth. No, Bluetooth is still grayed out. Once I get into Bluetooth, I try and go up, down, up, down, up, down. Nothing happens. Menu does not load. No, does not work, or no longer works. So at least I can shut it off. Now, let's go to Wi-Fi. Let's turn it back on. Go to settings. Camera settings. Let's reset Wi-Fi settings. Reset Wi-Fi settings. Yes. Been reset. Now, let's get out of it. Now, if I turn the camera on, oh, no card. I forgot about that. Okay, no card, so I can't record, but recording works fine. So let's go to, try and go to, hit the Wi-Fi. Well, nothing comes up saying it's trying to connect or whatever. And guess what? Camera is frozen. You can see the screenshot there. It's not working. So I hit the power button. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Won't shut off. Same screenshot or whatever. So it's locked up. The only way to get this thing to reset, so you can even use it, is pull out the battery. It'll power on no problem. So Akaso said, you know, I asked about a firmware update in this thing, and they've sent me a link, which I've been on the internet, and you cannot find a firmware update anywhere on the internet, but I've responded saying, is it an update or is it the same one that's already in the camera? I haven't had a response yet. But anyways, let's try the Wi-Fi again. Oh, look at that, locked up. So the camera's faulty. And so I think Akaso has some quality issues. For the money, the video quality is really good. But if you get one like I've got here that's, you know, has some software issues or whatever, it's a problem. Thanks.